Thank you. What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be fishing, exploring the creek, seeing what I can catch. And the one lure that I'm using today is gonna be this tiny trout magnet, 1/64 ounce. And I don't know, let's get started. Let's see, it's pretty clear here. I don't see anything right off the bat, but should be something here. Caught fish here before. And yeah, we're ultralight fishing. Dang empty. Let's try again. Alright, we're moving upstream now. Some ducks right here. Watching out for snakes. Oh shit. My bad. Water's getting deeper, which is a good sign. Might not be anything here though. Keep looking. Seems to be a pool up there. Picture the spot. Nope, seems empty too. Alright, we're relocating. We're relocating to a different spot real quick. Alright, so we're on the hunt for a new spot. And the key is we're looking for deep pools because that's where the fish are going to congregate. So I'll cut to when we find the spot. Alright guys, I finally found a deep enough pool of water to where I think there's going to be some fish. You can see some running water too. It gets pretty deep in here, so there's definitely ought to be at least a couple panfish. Let's go into the abyss. No way. Alright guys, that's gonna end off the video. For some reason, I just couldn't find any panfish. Makes no sense. I've been there like multiple times before and I'd caught fish. And today was just empty. But if you watch this far in the video, please subscribe. I'm trying to grow the channel, and comment on what you want to see. And I promise I'll be catching fish. Alright, see ya.